After the installation of the Kali Linux, we need few important things that we must do. The first thing is updating the Kali Linux. Updating the Kali Linux results in updating all the tools in the Kali Linux to the latest versions so that we can work with latest versions of all the tools. And the second thing we need to do is we need to change the root account password so that we can access the most privileged account in the Kali Linux. And the third thing is we need to take the snapshot of the Kali Linux. After all the installations, after all in our working, if something goes wrong, we can roll back to the safest image of the Kali Linux. To update the Kali Linux, just open the Kali Linux in your virtual machine. Just log into the default Kali account. Open the terminal by clicking on this icon here. After this, just type this command sudo apt update and enter. It will ask for the password for the Kali. Just enter Kali. Don't worry, it will not show the password here after you entering. Just click the password and click on enter. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed. Don't worry. After that, we need to run another command, that is sudo apt upgrade and click on enter. Click on yes.
Many hours later,
It got finished. And after that, we need to change the password for the root account. To do that, we need to enter this command sudo passwd and the root, and it will ask for the password for the Kali and we need to enter it, Kali, and enter. And we need to set the new password for the root account now, and I am entering my password. You can enter your password and re-enter again, enter, and that's done. The password successfully set. Now we can log into the root account. Root and the password which we have set now, enter. So in this root account, we need not to enter sudo in every command. So in this account, we have all administrative privileges right here. And you can see the terminal colors have changed, and this is my root account, root@Kali. And the next thing is take the snapshot of the Kali Linux image. And to do that, open the virtual box, and you can see the Kali Linux is running here, and there is a three-dot hamburger button here. Click on it, click on snapshots, and you can see the take button here and click on the take. We'll ask for the name of your snapshot, give as you wish. And then click on OK. It will take the snapshot of it. And you can see there is safe updated Kali. Under that, the current state is there. And if you continue on working, the current state will keep on changing. And if anything goes wrong, just click on safe updated Kali or the name you have given, right click on it, and you can click on restore. These are the most important things after installation of the Kali Linux.